All right, we are on day number 12 in the One Funnel Away challenge. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake, and this is day 12 in the One Funnel Away challenge. Day 12 is all about product creation. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, head down there, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. I appreciate it. So let's just jump right in. All right, in the first video, we got Russell Brunson here. All he's saying is telling you to start creating your product and your offer. We've put our offer together. We have our full stacks for each page. So now we need to create the products for the customer. So if you got a membership or whatever, start making those videos for the membership course. You know, you're sending out a guide. Make sure you make those PDFs and just knock them out. If you don't know how to make your products, he's talking about finding your who's for doing the specific jobs in this video. Head to Funnel Rolodex, head to Freelancer, Fiverr. All good options. If you don't want to pay for somebody to do it, then you need to create it yourself. The last video, we did go over a few resources you could use. But yeah, it's the same as last week. You just go and find out who you can have make what. They did give some resources here, and I'm going to link these down below. They actually provide 5 websites. One is Design Pickle. I'm not sure if you guys probably can't see this, but Design Pickle, Fiverr, Create Your Laptop Life, which is, I'm not even going to try, Upwork, and 99 Designs. Those are all pretty popular, except for the Design Pickle and the Create Your Laptop Life. I've never heard of those two, so we're going to check those out here in a second. Julie here, and the next one, she is actually just going over the whole video. She's just going over different ways to create your products. Use ScreenFlow to make your videos, Canva to make like PDFs. You can also make PDFs through Google Drive, through Sheets. You can do PowerPoints on Google. In the video, she does give us some nice little templates. I went ahead and made them in the Google Docs. So if you want to download them, the links for those will be in the description as well. Here, let me show you. This is basically your layout for like your PDFs. Pretty much you just make a header and a footer. Obviously, you would replace this with your header and your footer. This is not what I would use. I literally made this in 5 minutes on Canva yesterday. So, and then the other one is her course outline. All you do is list your modules and you answer these 3 same questions. 1, what are you going to teach? 2, what will the students be able to do when they are done? 3, what mode will it be delivered in? Like video, PDF, so on and so forth. You just answer all those questions until you get the whole course done. And then you head over to Google Docs and you make, if it's a PDF, you make the PDF in here. That's why I have this named as template. So you're going to just make a copy for every module. So module 1, so you got a copy, it's now called module 1. You got Google Slides, you can make PowerPoints, you can do Excel spreadsheets. All those things to other people are valuable. Yeah, you don't have to use these templates. It literally takes 2 seconds to make both these. Make them yourself if you want, or you can click the link and make a copy and bam, you're good to go. And who doesn't like that banner? Like literally, I spent 5 minutes on that. You're welcome. And she does cover a lot of different tips and tricks in Google that I didn't even know, and I use Google all the time. Actually, my favorite video that Julie's done so far. It was pretty awesome. And Steven's call was actually really simple. He's literally just rehashing 2 other videos and combining them together. Remember the who, not how videos from before? If you haven't watched that video yet, then click the link up in the cards there. I'll also have the playlist always in the description down below. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and if you can, like the video. I really appreciate it. That's literally all he does, is go over finding your who's. Kind of just like Russell said, if you can't create it yourself, go find a who that can. He also mentioned to not be afraid to repurpose your content, which is probably something I need to learn. And he kind of used that as like videos as an example. Say if I'm making a video here, I could rip the audio from it and have it like as an audio version of it. I can cut it down into mini bits and tricks and tips, and you can, post that on other social media accounts, which I currently do not do. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things you can do to reuse your content that you're already making for another reason and use it on other platforms to add to your offers. Now let's go down to Jim Edwards here. He just goes over his funnel stack. Yeah, he's got the whole thing done this time. He does try to sell you on funnel scripts again, which is like, it's literally in every video thing. He does mention something that is important, and he just says whether it's good or not, get it done. And I completely agree. Tweak it from there, change it. Even while you're watching this video, he actually makes changes to his copy that was already done through funnel scripts. Even if you had funnel scripts, you're still gonna be tweaking it and adjusting it. So just get it done. Like he said in previous videos, there's good, better, and best. There is no perfect. The only bad copy is the copy that isn't written. Hope that makes sense. Now that is pretty much the full overview of day 12. I mean, it was a very easy day. The videos took probably an hour total. The homework's tough. I mean, you literally have to make the products you are going to be putting in your offer. This is going to be homework you're going to be working on for probably a week at least. For us, it's not going to take a whole lot. I think in our offer, we really only had quick little how-to videos, each specific bow, and PDFs. PDFs we can throw together in probably 30 minutes. Doesn't have to be perfect for the first round. You can always optimize later. That's right. I said we were going to check those websites, didn't I? I need y'all to do a favor for me. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you keep getting these videos every day of this challenge. Do that for me right now, and then we'll jump right into this. Let's do Design Pickle. Design is expensive and time consuming. It doesn't have to be. Get 50% off your 2 months now. Okay, so it's a subscription. Holy cow! What the? $400 a month for the standard? Okay, you get a dedicated professional designer, unlimited requests and revisions, ultimate brand profiles, free stock photos, native source file, average next business day turnaround, Zapier integration, and 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Okay, so you get your own designer. That's pretty cool. Holy Columbo. I mean, I get it, but wow. Yeah, it doesn't say how long the trial is anywhere. We've all been to Fiverr. We don't need to go over that one. I've never heard of this place. That looks like Julie. Is that Julie still in? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is her website. So she's just gonna find you a freelancer? Okay. Definitely not impressed with this website at all. That was pathetic. I'm not even gonna post that one. Yeah, this is a website where you actually hire people. So he wants $115 an hour to write a blog and an article. Man, that's a joke. These Who's are very expensive. 99 designs. I've never been to this one, but I have heard about it. Sure, let's watch it.
We're 99 Designs, the global creative platform that's your partner in designing almost anything. Logos, branding, websites, packaging, and more. Whatever you need, our community of vetted professional designers can do it all. Ooh. And we've got 2 ways to make it happen. If you're not sure what you want, a design contest is right for you. Our global design community will send you tons of unique ideas. You'll work with them to refine the best options and then pick your favorite. For complicated projects or when you've got a pretty good idea of your style, timeline, and budget, it's best to work directly with a designer. We'll help you find the perfect expert that fits your needs. The designers can bring it to life.
Okay. That's cool. Okay, I like this. This is a lot like Freelancer. I can dig it. I'm just going to leave a whole bunch of links, and I'll try to relay what they are down below. I'm going to leave out a couple of those that I thought were completely stupid. Sorry, Julie, but your website's getting left out. Design Pickle was stupid, too. I believe Upwork is crazy expensive, so I wouldn't recommend that one, but I'll post it. If you guys want to go to that one, hey, it's your money. But that being said, that's your homework for today, is to create your stuff. Can't really do it right away. It's something that's going to be done over the whole next week probably. So we're done with today. Day number 12 is in the books. Tomorrow is a rest day, so we're going to do the review Sunday. I know there's usually one video tomorrow, so there'll probably be a quick little 3 to 5 minute video tomorrow, but that's really about it. Maybe we can do some like interviews or somebody in the OFA challenge. That'd be really cool. You guys would like that. Comment in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can find somebody. I was talking to somebody on Facebook the other day. Oh, speaking of Facebook, yeah, I actually had someone named Grace from Facebook. She had a question about how to find the OFA challenge videos if you paid for it, but you didn't actually do the OFA. So we're going to go ahead and answer that real quick. Hopefully this helps you, Grace. You just go to your dashboard here. See, we got the ClickFunnels Platinum account here. So we go over here, FunnelFlix Training. Just click on that. And then we scroll down. I believe it's under funnel building. Yeah, right there. You got the one funnel away challenge right here. So you got your quick starts, your documentaries, then your funnel building. And it is right here in the middle, right next to funnel builder secrets. So you just click on that. And then bam, you got all your stuff from the OFA. And I have confirmed that most of these are the same. I haven't watched all of them, and they do offer the PDFs that you'll be using and everything as well. The whole package is in here. The only thing you're missing when you miss the OFA after you pay for it, the only thing you miss is the Facebook group, which I haven't even covered in these videos. Actually, let's do that real quick. So here is the One Funnel Away Challenge group. They just send the missions out. They have the pre-training weeks, the coaching calls. I have not been on a live coaching call yet. I'll throw that out. I've missed it every time. They do post the videos afterwards. You know, if you want to do the live calls, that option is there. Unfortunately, Grace, that option is not there for you. So you don't have this since you missed it during your challenge. This all gets deleted after the challenge is over. But you do have your One Funnel Away stuff inside of FunnelFlix. So take advantage of that. I hope this helped. But yeah, that's it for today. We're done. That was day number 12. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like the video. It really does help me out with the rankings and everything, and I appreciate it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. See you later.